In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sakari SMS to HubSpot. We'll be doing this directly inside HubSpot using the marketplace, and the process is straightforward if you follow it carefully. Before you begin, make sure you already have access to both your HubSpot account and an existing Sakari account, since you'll need to sign in and approve the connection during setup. Start by going to HubSpot and landing on your main dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Marketplace option in the top navigation area. This is where HubSpot lets you discover and install integrations that expand what your account can do. Click on Marketplace and then choose HubSpot Marketplace. This takes you into the full Marketplace experience where you can browse tools, integrations, and apps designed to work with HubSpot. When the Marketplace opens, click on Apps. This is important because HubSpot Marketplace can include different categories, and you want to make sure you're searching specifically within apps. Once you're on the apps page, use the search bar to look for Sakari SMS. Type in Sakari SMS and wait for the results to appear. When you see the listing for Sakari SMS texting, click on it to open the app page. This page will usually give you a quick overview of the integration and what it connects between the two platforms. From there, begin the installation. Click the install option for Sakari SMS texting and follow the prompts on screen. At this point, HubSpot will guide you into the connection process. Next, you'll be prompted to log in and connect your existing Sakari account. Be sure to use the correct Sakari account you want tied to your HubSpot workspace. This is an important moment because connecting the wrong account can create confusion later when managing contacts or message activity. After signing in, continue through the prompts until you reach the permissions screen. Here, HubSpot will ask you to authorize access so Sakari can work properly with your CRM data. Approve the app permissions so Sakari can access your HubSpot contacts and messaging records. This authorization is what allows the integration to sync useful information and support SMS activity within your workflow. Once that's done, the connection should be complete. If everything goes through successfully, Sakari SMS will now be linked to HubSpot and ready for use. If you run into any issues, double check that you're logged into the correct accounts and that you've approved all required permissions. And that's it. You've successfully connected Sakari SMS to HubSpot.